All right, guys, welcome into today's video where we got to talk about the awesome price action we had today with MetaMaterials and MMTLP. And just before we get into that, though, take a look up above at the futures. So I had to break out the shirt to prepare you for tomorrow of just hold it. The futures are looking really red tomorrow, so let's hope that turns in the morning. S&P futures are down 30 points. The Dow futures down 157 points. The NASDAQ's down 150 points, and the Russell is down 15 points. But that's leading us into tomorrow. Let's talk about today. So today, MetaMaterials is up over 11%. That is amazing. Love to see it. And we couldn't get this 11%, gain today on a better day. And we're going to go over that here soon. We got that filing today. We're going to cover that. So here you see up 11%. We did get back 1.7% in the after hours and at 85 cents. So we actually did hit another 52-week low here at 0.7646. That was hit today. So today hit a all-time low and bounced back and came back up very nicely for a nice overall 11% gain after hours. Little, we take that with a grain of salt. Average volume is 5.9 million. We traded almost 5.5 million. So that's really nice to see that the volume has picked up in MetaMaterials, considering that letter we got today. MMTLP had a little bit of action too, up 9%, up to $1.45. Now the volume is still kind of low. Average volume at 321,000. We trade 251,000. Taking a quick peek at the oil prices. WTI crude 88.96, Brent crude 96.49, and natural gas at $9.15. So oil is slowly coming down while natural gas is remaining high above that $9 range. All right, so let's get into here. Uncle Smokey shared this out, so I'm going to share his post. It's nicely put together here. So we got a letter from the SEC, and this is not what we were hoping to get, but we kind of knew this was coming. There's a lot of companies right now getting this letter. So the letter came, here it is laid out for us with the time frame. They have to become in compliance with the NASDAQ, or Meta has to close 10 consecutive days above $1 in the next 180 days to regain NASDAQ compliance. Q3 should help that a bit. So as you see, hashtag still not worried, hashtag go beyond, and just hold it. And not only that, but if you really believe in the company and where it's going, buy the dip. That's what I've been doing. I've been buying shares and options on this, and I have talked about that before. I'm buying those January 19th, 2024 50-cent options. I just buy one of those, keep adding slowly to that, because if this stock's still doing bad, I'm just going to exercise that option and buy those shares. So that's the plan. But I'm also buying regular shares as well. I wanted to highlight here Benham's post. He has it nice and highlighted here for us. So here was the actual fine print, and this is the main part, as he says here, the only important part to note today. Here it says the company has a period of 180 calendar days or until February 21st, 2023 to regain compliance with the bid price. Stock must meet or exceed $1 per share for a minimum of 10 consecutive business days. Notice of deficiency, not the listing, and does not currently affect the listing or trading of shares of our common stock. So thank you there to Benham for making that really nice and put together there for us. Thank you, Smokey, for putting that together as well. Let's go take a look here at the Fintel. Now, my thoughts on that, not really worried about. Like I said, there's so many stocks. These growth stocks are getting hammered. Genius Brand's one of them. If you go look at a lot of these stocks that were trading pretty high, they're all down 70, 90% right now. Growth stocks are hammered. Days to cover is at 9 days. Go down here and take a look at the short shares that are available. Is 650,000. Short bar fee did go up today at 11.51, so it went up, 1.3%. So a little bit more expensive to cost. The FINRA, they shorted us all but 50% today, and the aggregate was 51.26. All right, so we got a string of posts here from MetaMaterial News. I wanted to throw these in the video as well. I'm just dropping all the goods for you today, and all I ask in return is for you to smash thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if you appreciate this information. All right, so MetaMaterials closed up 11%. MMTLP closes up 9%. Here's the big one. MMTLP has now been over 45 days since the S1 has been submitted. The company has received straightforward items from the SEC and submitted required info. So We are waiting for that info to get back to us from the SEC. And I think once that is approved and that official press release comes out, let's just say the fireworks are going to fly. They're going to be going off, and we're going to be good times. So here he has, let's get the positive vibes going at MMAT. Where's the MMAT fam? Drop a like if you're still with us. Heck yeah, drop the like on that. I'm trying to keep out videos for you guys to keep y'all up to date. All right. Keep you up to date, keep you informed, keep you of why you originally invested in this company. Like I said, if you still believe in the company, great time to average in on some shares, because that's what I've been doing. I was at the mid threes, and I'm working my way down. I just keep buying in, every week or two, adding in, buying, MMTLP. I'm buying that on TradeState. I'm just buying it in. I'm also buying a couple other stocks as well. We did this video yesterday about some daily updates. And we had this post of this user here that Robinhood has canceled or stopped his reoccurring purchases of MMAT. And I found that very interesting. And I want to give a shout out here to Jose Ramirez. He did comment on my video, and I did pin his comment. I just seen it as I went through my comments. And he said, "Hey, Terry, that's me with the reoccurring buys. I just found out strange that it only happened to my MMAT weekly out of the 6 that I have. So I had to reach out and see if anyone else had the issue." So first I want to say thank you to Jose for bringing that to our attention, that the man has this reoccurring purchases on 6 different stocks, and MMAT was the one they stopped. Now, Robinhood's a little shady. They don't like the ones that are heavily shorted. They want to stop us from buying it. And that appears what it seems to be, is that they're trying to do this MMAT. I think something's coming. Let's go take a look at what John Berta shared earlier. And I just found it very intriguing that he shared this. All right, guys, so here we are on John Berta's page. And he said, anyone else see this today? And he has a ticker symbol here, ATXG. I can pretty much promise you probably none of us has ever heard of that. But this is one of these crazy situations. And let's go take a look at it here. Yes, that's right. You are seeing this correct. Do you see this? During the day with this one up, 2,000%, guys. That's right. It was up $625 a share. Like, are you freaking kidding me? Here it did drop 16% after hours. This was, I don't know, some kind of huge manipulation here. And here's the interesting part of all that. Look at the volume. 516,000 share volume made this stock go up over 2,000%. So could this be similar to MMTLP on the run up? Heck yeah, it could be. I don't know if we're going to see 2,000% run up, but we could see a run up. I mean, I don't know. It's possible. I mean, $1.40 up to, like, let's say $60, $80. This could even squeeze, because the higher this goes, they're going to be forced to cover MMTLP before it goes private. I don't know if he's alluding to we could be, now this is all speculation on my part, but he shared that about this huge short squeeze, and we got MMTLP about ready to get the amended S1 out here, and we're going to get that new ex-dividend date. So I'm glad I'm buying it up. I'm going to hopefully get some more in before this S1 gets finalized. And look at the day range here. The day's range, this thing was at $12.95 at the low today, and went to $656. Now, wow. This this thing literally hit a $17.5 billion market cap in one day. Here's the article on it. Now, let's try to get this out here. Adinex Group announces uplisting to NASDAQ Capital Markets, price of $25 million public offering common stock. This is a China stock. I do stay clear of them. But here you can see they offering of 5 million shares at the public price of $5 per share for the total gross proceeds of $25 million before deducting all the cost. And wow, that is interesting. I don't know if I've ever seen anything like that. I know there is a lot of these kind of what do we call it? These new public companies, private companies stuff. I just can't. 2,000%. Are you kidding me? In one day? Like, what the heck? So yeah, interesting stuff. I just thought that was interesting. John Berta shared that today. let's hope that's in our future for MMTLP, because I think we can see something similar. As he said, the rats are going to scurry. So let's hope that's in our future and we get the payday, because you know what? We damn well deserve it. We've been going through hell for over the past year, through this mess of a market, through all the delays, through all the stuff. We deserve a pay. Tony Market Moves the reason did a video. You know what? He's right. At the end of his video, if you held this long, you deserve your gains. And you know what? That's what we're about ready to get. And I hope this is something leading up to what MMTLP is about to happen. So hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. And I'll catch y'all next video, guys. Peace.